So this is the Empower delivery system. We handle everything from ordering to processing through the kitchen to delivery. So you can start off here at the ordering screen, end up with your online ordering interface here. We can have single brands, we can have multiple brands coming out of the same place, all on the same menu. Brands can be segmented so that each brand can have an individual menu, or it can all be on the same thing. So we can add all of our items here, and we can do pickup or delivery. If we're doing delivery, we get a very accurate wait time. Go through the checkout process, pretty straightforward. You can add discount codes, adjust tips. We just need a little bit of customer information. So here, Marty McFly is going to place an order. If you've never ordered before, we're just going to text you a quick code to make sure that that's your phone number. You can verify if this is going to be delivery or pickup again. You can either choose to have it ASAP and get an estimated time as to when that's going to arrive, or you can schedule it into the future up to 10 days in advance. If you've ordered before, we'll have your previous addresses saved, and you can go ahead and choose one, or you can type in a new one. And then same thing, if you've ordered before, we'll have some payment information saved, or you can go ahead and enter your card and then go ahead and place order. Then you're going to end up on an order confirmation screen. You'll be able to see the status of your order as it's on its way to you. So from when we have your order to when it's cooking in the kitchen, to when a driver has it and you're able to track the driver on the way to you, to even after the order, this will be a confirmation screen and let you do some customer service. If there's anything that went wrong or the customer needs to reach out, they can do it right here through this screen. So once the order is placed, we can go ahead and come back here into our kitchen, and this is our expo screen. So this is where you'll see the entire order. You'll see the entire order across all the different stations in the kitchen, and then each of these screens belong to the stations in your kitchen. So if you have a pizza station, if you have a wing station, salad station, whatever, each one of those stations will have their own screen, and each screen will only see the items that cook needs to make, and they're only going to see them at the time that they need to make them. So within our system, we know the cook times of each item. So if something takes 10 minutes to cook, another thing takes 5 minutes to cook, we're going to start the 10-minute item early, wait 5 minutes, start the 5-minute item, and those should get done at the exact same time, right as the driver arrives. So not only are we timing orders within the order, but we're also timing that in conjunction to the drivers. So we know where all the drivers are, we know what's happening in your kitchen, make sure you have enough drivers, make sure everything's timed together so it comes out of the kitchen perfectly right at the time food's done, so it's hot and fresh. Then once it's done through the kitchen, come over here to our delivery screen. So all the orders that are done and ready to be delivered will pop up here on the left-hand side, and then you'll see all your drivers that you have working here on the right-hand side. Once an order is ready to be shipped, so a driver will have an app on their phone. Drivers are all on demand, they're not scheduled. So this is totally managed by the system based on how much demand you have. We will match the right number of drivers to the right number of orders. So if I'm a driver and I'm ready to work, I'd like to take deliveries, I just tell the system that I'm ready to work, and if there's demand and if there's work available, it'll go ahead and ping you in. So this said there's work available here at Pizza Planet, so I'll go ahead and say, yep, I'll accept that, and now I'm on the way to the kitchen. Once I get there, I let the app know, and I will show up here on the screen. So now that this order is ready to go, I'm just going to hit ship. It's going to bring up a little 4-digit code. So once I type that in, 5342, that's going to go ahead and associate that order with the driver, give me some routing information, and I can even add multiple orders to my delivery if I want to batch and take multiple at the same time. And then once I'm ready to go, just hit start delivery. The customer is going to get some text. They're going to get a link to that order tracking page so they can track the order again. They can text back and forth with the driver. They can call the driver to make sure that they communicate. And then once I'm done and I've actually arrived at the customer and dropped it off, I just let them know. And then the driver's on their way back to the kitchen to take the next order.